Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into your Google account, then open Google Scholar and find the PDF you need. Click the PDF link to load the built-in reader. Once done, the toolbar appears at the top. Make sure your pop-ups aren't blocked because the reader opens in a new tab or embedded viewer. After it loads, you'll see controls for zoom, page navigation, and a sidebar for annotations. Start by checking page thumbnails and setting zoom to a comfortable level. Now annotate. Select text to highlight or add a note, and the reader will attach your comment to that spot. Once you add annotations, they sync to your Google account if you save to Drive. Make sure you save periodically. Use the search box inside the reader to find keywords and jump directly to pages. This saves time when reviewing long papers. Also switch views, fit width for tables, single page for focused reading, so you control how content appears on screen. Finish by saving your annotated PDF to Google Drive or downloading a copy to your computer. This preserves highlights and comments. If you need notes elsewhere, export or copy them into your reference manager or a document. This keeps your citations and quotes handy. If the reader stalls, clear your browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or open Scholar in an incognito window. These steps often fix display issues. Finally, reload the PDF and confirm annotation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.